In this video, you'll learn how to buy cryptocurrency on Bitget. This guide will take you through each step in the process, ensuring you can navigate the platform effectively to make your purchase. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Bitget website. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to facilitate a smooth browsing experience. If the website does not load quickly, verify your internet speed, as this can affect your ability to complete the transaction. Once you're on the Bitget homepage, you should see a variety of options related to cryptocurrency trading. Look for the button labeled Buy Crypto. This button is typically located prominently on the main interface, making it easy to find. Click on it to proceed to the next screen. After clicking Buy Crypto, you will be directed to a new page where you can select various buying options. Look for the button labeled Buy and Sell. Click on this to access the different cryptocurrencies available for purchase. This is an important step as it will allow you to choose the specific crypto you wish to buy. Next, you will see options for different methods to buy crypto. Click on the button that says your fastest way to buy crypto. This will lead you to a streamlined process designed to make your purchase as quick and efficient as possible. Pay attention to the details on this page, as they will guide you through the subsequent steps. Once the next screen appears, click on the Buy button. This action will initiate the purchase process. At this stage, ensure that you have checked your available balance and any potential fees that may apply, as these can affect the total amount you are able to spend. After clicking Buy, you will see a prompt to select your payment method. Click on the Pay button to continue. This step is crucial as it will determine how the funds will be transferred for your purchase. Now, enter the amount you wish to spend, which is indicated by the code 829100. This code may represent a payment method or transaction reference. Make sure you enter this correctly to avoid any issues with your payment. Once you have entered the amount, click on the Receive button. This action confirms your intent to proceed with the transaction. You should see a confirmation message or a summary of your purchase details, which helps you verify that everything is correct before finalizing. Next, select USDT as your preferred cryptocurrency. This selection will prompt the system to calculate the equivalent amount in the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Ensure that you are comfortable with the exchange rate displayed. Subsequently, click on BTC to choose Bitcoin if that is your desired cryptocurrency. It is important to understand the current market conditions, as this can affect your buying decision. Following this, click on Pay With to select your payment method. You will see various options available for payment. Make sure to choose one that is convenient for you and has low transaction fees if possible. Next, select Visa/MasterCard as your payment method. This option is commonly used for purchases and typically offers a secure transaction process. Ensure that your card details are ready for input. After selecting your payment method, click on the Confirm button to verify your transaction details. This step is essential as it locks in the details of your purchase, including the amount and the cryptocurrency being bought. Finally, click on the Buy button to complete your transaction. You should see a confirmation screen indicating that your purchase was successful. At this stage, it is advisable to check your account balance to confirm that the cryptocurrency has been credited correctly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.